Good day everybody, my name is Alex Francisco Rajagoguk, study number 19050033. I want to presentation about task card, nose wheel and main landing gear, left and right. Task card. If you still remember the scenes of task card is a document that must be carried when we check on the plane. We will check what we are going to check. In this document, there are steps that we must take in order from the first to the last. The task card has a very big role in the aircraft. From this task card that mechanic can see when the aircraft was last checked and when the next inspection will be carried out. The task card about corrosion prevention. Nose landing gear task card. The first is nose landing gear task card. Nose landing gear including 1. Strut and any shock. 2. Pull the clamps test. 3. Surface shaft. 4. Nasal branch. 5. Nose steering gear. 6. Turning and turning spring head. 7. Lock that assembly and connect. The procedure nose landing gear. 1. Clean up the wheels and components. Check the damage done. Check the damage plate and check the corrosion. 2. If it is corrosive, remove any existing corrosion to clean up and restore more vertical protection. 3. Apply 23 BMS 23 to the surface of the landing gear, connecting pins and attachment as needed. Notes: remove 323 excess BMS using a dry cloth. 4. After the 323 BMS application, it was cleaned the after fitting and remove the nose teeth. Note: in cases of regular cleaning done with steam or high water pressure and detergent, apply 323 BMS to the components of nitrogen that and to those that are corroded. Question: do not use BMS 323 on silicone. Remember pin or controller cable because it is highly discouraged. Left main landing gear task card. Left main landing gear including 1. Shock stroke and door attachment. 2. Exhaust surface. 3. Side and pull stroke. 4. Torsion link. 5. Torsion and trunnion link. 6. Loose face link pin indicator lock all mechanism door high. Main landing gear. 1. Clean landing gear and main components. Check for any paint, damage, the lens plate, damage and corrosion. 2. If corrosion is established, remove the corrosion and restore the protector by vertical means. 3. Apply 323 compounds BMS to the surface area of the landing gear, connecting the paint and attachment as required. 4. After the application of BMS 323, clean up the after lubricant and relubricate the landing gear. Note: in the case of regular cleaning done with steam or with high water pressure and detergent, applying back BMS 323 to the main landing gear, and this checking was done at any time of flight. Question: never misuse or apply BMS 323 to silicone rubber seal or control cable. Observers the precaution before you use the one section 206000 page 3 and 4 on the corrosion prevention book. Note: clear BMS 323 which is excessive with a dry and clean rag. Example is nose landing gear, and example main landing gear. Okay, thanks for attention. I'm sorry if there is a mistake in pronunciation. Goodbye. Thank you.